Hello, I am Dr. Nitin Chauthai and I am going to talk about the high flow nasal cannula system that we have created for use in developing world where neonatal intensive care is neither available nor affordable. 1.7 million babies die in 5 developing countries including India, China, Pakistan, Nigeria and Democratic Republic of Congo. 29% of all newborn mortality are in India, almost 1 million babies a year. That comes down to every 5 seconds there is a baby who dies, and 50% of these deaths in newborn babies are related to either premature weak lungs or pneumonia. Both of these problems can be resolved or can be aided using continuous positive airway pressure. Since there are several other ways to provide continuous airway pressure, we have come up with a simplest way to provide the continuous airway pressure using very cheap and affordable system that can be even used in peripheral India without major training required. This can be applied by very less trained individuals if they were taught to evaluate baby's sickness. So now let me tell you about how our system works. This is a very small compressor and I can even lift it with my own hands. Thus it can be taken to any peripheral hospital. This compressor can be used to provide 5 or 6 high flow nasal cannula systems, and we are going to demonstrate out of which only 2 systems for now. So we have taken the compressed air into 2 different circuits using a Y connection. Actually we have so much pressures available using this compressor that we can potentially provide 5 or more systems using this the compressor. Now this system goes to the flow meter which can regulate the amount of pressures that can be transmitted to the baby's lungs, and we have created an algorithm that will allow us to adjust the flow from 1 to 4 liters to be safe on small baby's lungs. And this the flow of air can be put through this circuit that in turn allows it to be humidified and heated and provided to the baby with this small nasal cannula. This is equivalent to opening the balloon of air, and that simple system, and only thing that we will be adding is humidifying and heating the air to appropriate temperatures so that baby's lungs do not get harmed because of the flow. I would also like to show to you that we can independently adjust flow of the second circuit as well using this high flow nasal cannula system. And this is all we have for now. We will be able to implement these systems in rural and semi-urban areas where we will be able to provide support to the breathing of the babies over a period of time until the babies can breathe on their own. Thank you.